being a programmer can become a very stressful experience, especially if you end up having to debug for hours and even days. So how exactly can you enjoy coding and remain productive so that you can complete your work and effectively? If you're learning coding, you will be able to learn it even faster. I'm going to share with you guys today a tip to help you do exactly that. So be sure to watch till the end of this video so that you don't miss the exact particular tip. A research has shown that music can help increase concentration and attention span, effectively making it easier for you to work or study. But which music is the best for coding? Well, simply put, some genre combinations just won't work, and that's just how it is. Because some combinations of these genres are way too loud and way too distracting for you to be able to focus on your particular task. So we have some good combinations which will work out. That is where I come in. So I created a second channel completely with the entire purpose of dedicating it to produce good quality. Let's take a quick look. Link to Cactus Lo-Fi will be in the end screen as well as in the description. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.